Hello everyone. Welcome to Stat Skill Hub. I'm Dr. Asha Jindal. In today's session, we will use the Titanic dataset to understand key statistics used in medical and social sciences like risk, risk ratio, odds ratio, log odds ratio, and difference in proportions. I will focus on the variables sex and survived and use Jamovi output to interpret what these numbers really mean in plain language. For that, I will move to Jamovi. I will go to the open data library. Titanic dataset has opened. This has variables class, sex, age, survived, and frequency. I need to weight these cases by frequency. So, for that purpose, I will go to the data tab, click on weights, move frequency to the weight variable box, and on right side in result panel, the data is weighted by the variable frequency message has appeared. So now I will start analyzing. Again, I will go to analysis tab, frequencies. Under contingency tables, I will click on independent samples, select sex, and move this variable to rows box. Click on survived and move this variable to columns box. You got the contingency table. This you can copy it to understand different measurements and move back to the presentation. Here I pasted that table and added a small note data weighted by frequency using Jamovi. This table shows that the Titanic data in Jamovi after weighting by the variable frequency among 470 females, 344 survived and 126 did not. Among 1731 males, 367 males survived and 1364 did not. In total, we have 2201 passengers in this data set. We will use these numbers to calculate and interpret different measurements of associations between sex and survival. The first one is risk of survival. Risk is the probability that an event happens in a group. Here, the event is survived. For female, the risk of survival is 344 divided by 470, which is about 0.73 or 73 percentage. For males, the risk is 367 divided by 1731, about 0.21 or 21 percentage. Right away, we see that survival was much more common among females than males on the Titanic. Next is difference in proportions, which is also called as risk difference. Is the risk in one group minus the risk in another group. Using our simple calculation, survival risk for female is 0.73 and for males it is about 0.21, giving a difference of approximately 0.52. That means there is about a 50 percentage point higher survival probability for females compared to males. In Jamovi, this appears as difference in two proportions. The exact sign and value depend on which row is taken as reference. But the key point is that there is a very large absolute gap in the survival between the two sexes. The relative risk or risk ratio compares the probability of survival between the two groups. We divide the female survival risk by the male survival risk. With our numbers, females have a survival probability around 0.73 and males around 0.21. So the relative risk is roughly around 3.4 to 4. This means females are roughly 3 to 4 times as likely to survive as males. Jamovi reports a relative risk value. If it's less than 1, that just means Jamovi is using the opposite comparison, which is male versus female. For interpretation, we usually phrase it in the direction we care about. Here, survival in females compared to males. Risk is the probability, but the odds ratio are probability divided by 1 minus probability. For females, survival odds are 344 survivors over 126 non-survivor, about 2.73. For males, odds are 367 over 1364, about 0.27. The odds ratio compares these odds 2.73 divided by 0.27 gives a value around 10. This means the odds of survival for females are roughly 10 times the odds for males. Odds ratio often look more extreme than risk ratios, especially when the event like survival for women is quite common. In our Jamovi results, the comparative measures table reports an odds ratio of 0.0986 and a log odds ratio of minus 2.3172. These are calculated based on specific row and column order Jamovi uses. If we invert the odds ratio, 1 divided by 0.0986, we get about 10.1, which matches the value we just calculated when we considered females as the main group. So, in plain language, the Jamovi output also indicates that females have about 10 times the odds of survival compared to males, just expressed from the opposite comparison direction. The log odds ratio is simply natural logarithm of the odds ratio. In Jamovi, we see a log odds ratio turns out to be minus 2.3172. A log OR, log odds ratio equal to 0 would mean no difference between the groups. The negative sign here means that given the way the Jamovi defined the reference group, that group has lower odds than the comparison group. If we swept the reference group, the log OR would become positive. In practice, logistic regression models actually estimate log odds directly, which is why this measurement is important. Even though we usually interpret results back on the odds or probability scale. Before summarizing, I would like to use Jamovi to calculate directly all this result. For that, I need to tick mark under statistics in the heading comparative measures 2 by 2. I will tick mark odds ratio, log odds ratio, relative risk, difference in proportion. I have computed all of them, and you could check that our result matches with all these values, which were on slides I have shown using the calculator. And to summarize this, just remember all these value and let's go back to our presentation. To summarize, the Titanic example in Jamovi clearly shows how different measures tells the same story in different ways. The risk show higher survival probability for females than for males. The difference in proportion shows a large absolute gap of around 40 to 50 percentage points. The relative risk tells about females were roughly 3 to 4 times as likely to survive as males. The odds ratio shows an even stronger contrast with female odds of survival about 10 times those of males. Finally, the log odd ratio reported by Jamovi confirms this strong effect from a modeling perspective. Together, these measures provide a rich and consistent picture of the association between sex and survival on the Titanic. Thank you. Happy learning.